Hey, so today I'm working on the Gladiator. I'm doing a pedal commander actually because the throttle response on the Gladiator and the V6 they put in these trucks is just not very good at all. So I bought a pedal commander. I'm going to get that installed and take it for a cruise, and I'm hoping for a much better driving experience than I have recently. I've done a lift in 37s on it as well, so because of the bigger tires, it also doesn't really respond as well as it used to, but I love the bigger tires. It's great off-road now versus the 32s that it had on it from the factory. So we're going to get the pedal commander installed and take it for a test drive and see how I like it. I'm sure I'm going to love it. I've heard nothing but great things from people that have installed the pedal commander on the Gladiators. So let's get it installed and see how it works. Okay, so this is what it looks like right out of the box. It's a pretty cool packaging. It's like a little cooler or something. And there it is. There's a little card in here that you scan the QR code and it takes you to installation instructions. And I actually found a video made by Pedal Commander that shows the correct installation for the Pedal Commander on the Gladiators. However, it's super simple, so you shouldn't have any issues with it. And so I'm all for easy installations and big improvements. So, right, I'm gonna go get this thing installed. So on the throttle, there's that red tab there. That's what you want to release, and there's a plug. Just unplug it, and it hooks right up to the pedal commander. The pedal commander is essentially just kind of spliced in to that cable there that you see. Well, these are the connectors on the pedal commander. So this one's going to go into the top of your throttle, and then this one's going to go up into your old connector, or I should say the connector attached to the computer. So that one will go up in there. So you want to take a flathead and just kind of poke it into the top of this connector here, this little tab. And I just came in from this angle up top and just kind of gently pried it out, and it came out. And it's going to hang out in there, and then you can just pull the connector right out. Pretty easy. And I used a regular flathead too. A shorter one would work better, but this one works fine too. I just got the pedal commander plugged into the original connector. So now we're going to put this one on top of the throttle and we'll be done. So now it's all hooked up, and just need to route the cables somewhere that aren't in the way, and then mount it somewhere. So I'm not really sure what I want to do with that, but I'm just going to let it kind of hang out while I test drive it, and then I'll figure out a place that I want to put it. And I've heard from other people that city is probably the best setting. I think it's city +2 or something like that. So that's the one I'm going to start with. But I'm going to go through each one and see which one I like the best. Alright, well, I've had a couple days to drive the Gladiator with the pedal commander hooked up, and overall I really like it. Definitely makes a big difference in throttle response, because there's quite a bit of delay from the factory on this truck, and you got way more settings than you'll really probably ever need. But Sport Plus, they're kind of fun, but not as much fun as maybe like on a sports car or something. And there's a couple of other options that you could choose from, but the pedal commander, I feel like it's so easy to install, and it definitely makes a big difference, and overall it's a huge improvement to how it was before. So you might want to check out some other options, but the simplicity and affordability and the overall performance that you get from the pedal commander, I think it's a great buy. So check it out if you're thinking about it. Definitely, it's definitely noticeable, and I think you'll be happy with it. If you think this video sucked, go ahead and hit the dislike button, and if you like the video and you're weird, go ahead and give it a like. Anyways, thanks for watching.